Every single habit is dedicate the rest of your life. That habit is build your confidence and makes you a successful every single day. Today I'm gonna share with you 5 things that I believe in every situation everyone in 20s should do every day. So let's go. Number 1, write your ideas down. Every single person watching this video right now has a genius idea. The problem, most of us, we forget about it. You have to write down your ideas. That's make you improve your productivity and self-development. Number 2, getting close to your family and the quality, the right friends. One of the best way to fulfill your life, getting happiness, being comfortable when you close to your family and the right quality friends. Be the leader of your family and friends. Live by example. Take the responsibility of your family and friends. Have fun with them. So try to be inspired by them. Number 3, read a lot of books and continues to learn. I know how much you hate the school. Reading the book blown your creativity, your mind, how much you gain the knowledge, improve your personality, the way you talk, the way you focus. Start reading and continues to learn. Number 4, do exercise or get a gym membership. You need to start going to the gym daily. Let me correct myself. You are not go to the gym instead of that, whether that's for a walk, going on a bike, basketball, football, anything that makes you move physical other than sitting down in front of your computer. You don't understand how much important for your personal mind and reduce your stress and build up your confidence. So start up from today. Number 5, invest. We are so young in 20s to invest in ourselves. This is the right time to invest, whether in ourselves, stock market, real estate, business. Once you invest, relax. Hold it for 20, 30 years. For the long term, you're gonna be a wealthy person. So start to invest right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to click subscribe, like down below. Those 5 things that I believe in every corner, every situation, everyone in 20s should do every single day. That's for me today. See you next time.